Hi everyone, it's me Svetlana again, and today we're going to drill those side arms movements. In the previous video I showed you how to move your arms from side to side, and I showed you 3 different ways. Today we're going to repeat those movements until your arms fall off. Alright, let's get started. Okay, here we go. We're going to start drilling, but before we do this, think about this. You're still a dancer, even though you do these exercises. So keep 4 things clear in your mind: that your spine should be stretched up, your head should be put on top of your spine, pull your tummy in, and keep your shoulder blades down through the whole exercise. And let's get started. Put your legs apart and just start shifting your weight from one side to the other. Very important to find balance first. When you find balance, life is good. After you find balance, think about pointing your toe. Point your toe, point your toe. Keep shifting with the balance. When you point your toes, think about stretching your knees. So you have balance, pointed toe, and stretched knee. When you feel comfortable, think about the tummy and the spine. It is all put together. Then, couple things. When you start moving your arms, we're not going to drop it down. But if you drop it down, do it in a graceful way. For example, your arms get tired. You drop it down in a graceful way, pull it in, and lift them again. Do it as many times as you need to get your arms a little rest. But the ideal thing if you keep your arms up all the time. Okay, so we shifted our weight from one foot to the other, and let's stretch our arms up. We're going to start with a very simple move. We're going to start moving the wrist. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Just the wrist, nothing else. Keep thinking about those toes and about the spine, and just warming up our wrists. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Don't forget about your toes and the legs. And then from here we're going to bend elbows and lead the fingers first. Fingers leading the action. 1. Still have balance and point your toes and pull the belly in. 1 and 2, and your arm lead the way, your fingers lead the way, and bend your elbow. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. We're going to stretch. And 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your shoulder blades down when you stop. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you move, constantly think about your arms, what you're doing, and then think about what you're doing with your feet until your arms and legs becomes as one. All right, and now we're going to pull elbow in, pull elbow in, pull elbow in, and lead it back, lead it back. When you stretch your arm, move it a little bit forward so you still see your arms with your side view. Shift the weight and point the toe. think about the beauty of your movement. 1, 2. Finish with your finger. 1, 2. 1, 2. Pull the elbow in towards your body. Make it graceful. 2. Pull your tummy in when you do it. Stretch your spine and point your toe. We're going to stay here, shoulder blade, shoulder blade down. 2. And let's just finish with a nice hand movement. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and down. And this is it with the drill. But you know how to get better. It's to do it every day. All right, see you next time.